I will be using extra adhesion nail liquid, my Prisma Deep Well Dappen Dish, Competitive Edge Crystal Clear Nail Powder, Original Whitest White Nail Powder, Blushing Bride Prisma Powder, Top Gel Plus, Clean It, Gardenia Conditioning Cuticle Oil, my large flat Kolinsky brush, towelettes, and my double thick extra long competitive edge nail forms. My nail has already been prepared and my first coat of primer has dried. This killed the germs on the nail and dried out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer right before I apply my product. So I have wet primer and wet product. This promotes adhesion and helps eliminate lifting. Wipe off my brush so I don't contaminate my primer. My first ball is going to be whitest white. This is going to be a large ball, so I will be using a lot of liquid and a lot of powder. Reverse your brush and very lightly stroke it down onto the nail bed and come out here and create your free edge. Start stroking it out. Make it nice and thin. This is a tapered square. Pat it across. Stroke it out. So my form is nice and tight. Clean up the tip. Get it just how you like it. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. This is going to be a medium ball. Place this ball on the nail bed. Then you're going to stroke it in one stroke out. Then come in and do your sides. Side, side, center. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. This is your cuticle ball. Place this ball 1/32 inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow. Stroke it out from the center. Side, side, center. Clean up your sides. Wipe off your brush. This is your stress ball. Small to medium ball. Place this ball almost at the cuticle. Then stroke it out down the center first. This gives you a beautiful ombre. Now we're going to apply our crystal clear where our fade is. So when we file, we don't file off our fade. Towards the cuticle and then back towards the free edge. The nail is starting to dry, and so now I'm going to squeeze a C-curve. Start down at the nail bed, work your way out. This is a tapered square, so I'm going to be giving a little bit more pressure towards the tip. This makes the nail really strong and nice and narrow. Makes it look really thin, but it's still really, really strong. I will be filing the nail in 5 steps using my long-lasting 180 zebra, but first I'm going to score the edges. I'll use my disposable etcher. So when I file around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. I just dispose of my etcher. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. Make sure you hold the nail secure. My third step in filing is to shape the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down. Hold the fingernail securely. Go straight across. Step number 4 is the cuticle area and the top of the nail. Go down on the side, across the top, long strokes, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. There's a little road where you have product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file my product flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. You want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. And make sure you do not overfile because you don't want to file off your ombre. I will be buffing the nail with my clean finish buffing file, and this buffer is made out of material, so it won't leave any grit on the nail. You can use this buffer wet, you can use it dry, or you can use it with oil. And it's especially important not to get any grit on the nail when you're doing a light colored nail or an ombre nail. Buff the nail in nice long strokes. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Make sure you go around the cuticle area. Get it nice and smooth. Out towards the tip. And take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus, a super high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. This is really good for the cuticles and helps keep the natural nail really healthy. Every client should have one at home to use every day. Now we have the Long French Blushing Bride Ombre Nail. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.